front of me is OUKITEL C33, and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off adaptive brightness. First of all, go into Devices Settings and scroll down just a bit to access Display. Following that, tap on the gray switcher next to Adaptive Brightness to enable it. If you wish to switch it off, click on the same switcher again. You can also just access Tab menu instead and click on this little sun next to Brightness slider to turn on or off Adaptive Brightness. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!